Now is the perfect time to go out into your garden to round up some fresh flowers for the house. Just like it's the perfect time to round up the top 5 new releases for OneClickUpsell that, similar to these flowers, have fully bloomed. Our first release is the new image carousel option for the single offer pre-purchase upsell. When testing on Boom, our 8-figure sister company, we saw an increase in looks app-wide when displaying the image carousel versus having it hidden. At the end of testing, we get a test that the attention the carousel received had resulted in a higher conversion rate for people who viewed the offer page. Since we always roll out winning results into the app, you now have the ability to display a carousel on the pre-purchase offer. Under the Buy Box section in the OCU Builder, use the Hero section dropdown to switch the image carousel view. This will pull in the carousel images from Shopify for the product selected, and they can be added or removed by using the checkbox shown. The second feature release applies to all post-purchase offer pages. In the left side panel of the OCU Builder, under the Buy Box 1 section, you'll notice the new payment disclaimer toggle. When enabled, this action displays a message for the customer informing them that their payment will process immediately upon accepting the offer. This is just one more way to help minimize returns and keep communication clear between you and your customers. If you're looking to increase customer lifetime value, offering subscription services is a great way to make it happen. With approximately 15% of online users signing up for subscription services, it can be very rewarding to leverage these type of offers, especially post-purchase. That's why the next 3 features have to do with subscriptions. Coming in third, in addition to our current recharge integration, we've just released new integrations with Seal, Appstill, and the Loop subscription app. This gives you a total of 4 different subscription services to choose from, with many more on the way. For the fourth feature release, we've made it possible to edit the wording shown inside your configured subscriptions widget. Previously, this was pulled dynamically and displayed via the subscription app, but now you can change it by clicking on the preview's elements. This ensures your subscription offer can be clearly interpreted by your customers, making the buying decision that much easier. For the 5th and final release, we've made it effortless to manage availability for both your one-time products and subscription products. We've included a subscription toggle option in the left side panel where you can turn off the subscription option and keep it strictly as a one-time offer. Anytime you want to offer both one-time and subscription options for your product again, just go back and switch the toggle. So make sure you take some time this week to go out and smell the roses, just like you should take time to explore these new features. If you're a OneClickUpsell user, please help us connect with other users like you by leaving us an honest review in the Shopify App Store. Not using OneClickUpsell just yet? Visit Zipify.com to start your free trial today. I'm Brittany. Thanks for watching.